So here's a commercial grade rocket stove, and it has a shelf here for your wood instead of the outlet pipe. Can you go on, please? This is actually a dual fuel version. It can be utilized with charcoal briquettes or wood fuel, and these tongs here would help with your wood. And it's the same general principle as what we've just looked at. It's an insulated kind of a bucket, has an ash chamber at the bottom here, and this is the fuel entry door here. So you just open it up like this, and if it was charcoal briquette, you'd probably have this door closed, but there's a slotted grate on the bottom. You would put your fuel in through here, and it's allowed to rest there, and you just kind of keep feeding it as the end burns off. And this has already got a grate on it, so it vents here, the air goes in and then flows up through the top here, and you can set your pot of most size pots. It's all ready to go. So it's a easily stowable, carryable, movable type of a bucket rocket stove. Again, you can easily carry it with the handles. So this is a commercial grade rocket stove, a lot like the bucket, which is kind of where I got the steel bucket idea from, as opposed to using a stock pot from Walmart or something like that.